part of my vlogs here. So I got good news. I found an editing program that I can do like cool effects, do basically like Logan and Jake Paul's type of vlogs. But this is day 6 now for vlogging. And tomorrow I do get my camera now, so it's been confirmed. I do get my camera tomorrow, so I'll be vlogging daily with that one. But the problem with the editing program is that it basically right there that you see, there's watermark to it. So I have to buy the program, or it's a yearly plan. So if I just want to get rid of the watermark to it, I just gotta pay $39.99. So yeah, but I can do really cool stuff with it. Yeah, but I do get my camera tomorrow. Going to Steve Aoki concert Saturday. I got off of work, literally I just got off of work and started filming. So, cause gotta vlog every day, bro. But I don't know what I was talking about. There's 2 cops at a Dollar General today, and a state cop went 100, literally 100, on the highway right out there. So then last night we had a little bit of an incident. The plug-in got fried. So yeah, and after that, this is what the end of the plug-in looks like now. So yeah, no good no more. Crap. And then for like supper tonight, we're having pork chops. It's goodness, yeah. But if you want to follow on my socials, here is Snapchat, Twitter, and Instagram. Yeah, Snapchat, Twitter, Instagram. There. Go follow me on my socials. Go subscribe. Go comment. Go like the video. We're trying to reach 100,000 subscribers so I can reach that YouTube plaque. But tonight and tomorrow I'll do a little bit of live streaming on Fortnite, because they have some new stuff coming out, or they have a new area coming to Fortnite, and they have a new item coming. It's like some shield thing, so see on how that goes. But yeah, it's nice out here. It's a little bit muggy out here still, because we had rain all night. And then I don't feel like going inside filming the birds, so I have a little bit of a video of the birds. So there it is for like 1 minute. So enjoy. That's all. Enjoy. Yeah.